the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial. I saw this beautiful makeup look on Instagram and I wanted to recreate it. I'll put it on the screen right here, and of course I will link it down below. But yeah, I wanted to recreate that look because it was just stunning. And let's get started. Let's jump right in. Okay, so my eyebrows are already done and my eyes are primed, just to go ahead and save us some time. Let me actually pull up the picture on my phone so I can look at it. I pretty much have it memorized at this point because it was so stunning. I just had to stare at it. So I'm gonna start with my Take Me to Brazil palette. And I'm just gonna start by taking the yellow color that's right here. And I'm gonna pretty messily, put this all over my crease where I would put my transition shade. Ooh, wow, that shade is dusty. I have never gone into the yellow in this palette. Anyway, I'm gonna take that yellow and put it all over the crease. So, my lights are kind of washing the color out a little bit, but the shade is kind of dusty and it's not super pigmented, so I'm patting it on first and then blending it in to get the most pigment. So it's coming out looking a little mustardy on me as opposed to the bright neon that I was going for, but that's okay. You know, we're gonna make it work. Make it work with whatever shadows you got. So now I'm gonna cut my crease slightly. By slightly, I mean slightly. I'm going to take the Milani Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer. With just like a little brush, and I'm gonna cut my crease about halfway-ish.
All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told.
A tip for my people with hooded eyelids: just when you're doing a cut crease, start where you think your cut crease is gonna go, then open your eyes all the way so you can see where it transfers to, and then move it up to there. Y'all, I swear I'm getting a new camera soon. Bear with me for the subpar quality in my makeup videos. Hopefully I get it for my birthday. I doubt it. I doubt anyone's gonna buy me that expensive in a gift, but I'm hoping, I'm praying, you know? I'm gonna take this Hard Candy eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is so old, y'all. I don't think it exists anymore. But I'm essentially going to take this color. It pulls kind of neon green, and it's also kind of like a really yellow gold at the same time. And I'm going to put that where I put the concealer. If it's not showing up pigmented enough, then I'll probably put some glitter primer on top of it. But I think it should be fine. So as I'm getting to the outer of my eye, I'm kind of just quickly swiping the shadow back and forth some, because I don't want it to be such a hard contrast from the lid to the crease area. So I'm just going like this so that there's some shadow there, but it's not, you know, as bright as the inner part of the lid. I'm gonna go in with the yellow again and just clean up the crease a little bit, make it a little bit more pigmented. Alright, so now I'm going to do some wing liner because that's what the girl had in the pic. I'm just going to do some big wing liner. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild H2O Proof. Do I want to use this? Do I want to do gel? I don't want to do gel. I don't want to take it off. And then I'm going to put on these these faux mink lashes. Just look like this. They're still kind of wispy to it, so the eye lip won't be hidden behind the lashes. And then I'll come back and we'll finish it off. So eyes are finished. So now for my face, I'm going to take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and Sienna, and then the concealer in Golden. I'm going to do my face real quick. Now I'm going to take the NYX Bear With Me primer spray, whatever, multitasking spray. Spray my face down. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to line my waterline with a black pencil liner. This is the ooh child, this is old. This is the NYC City Proof 24-hour liner. This is old. And I'm just going to line my waterline with this. I don't line it all the way to the inner corner. I kind of stop where the white of my eyes starts again. I'm going to go into my Wonderlust palette from Profusion. I'm going to use this color right here. It's showing up blue on camera, but it's purple with blue undertones. It's called Retro. And I'm going to smudge that into my waterline. And then I'm going to take the same brush I did the purple, and I'm going to take Go Girl from the same Profusion palette and put that right under the purple, mix it with the purple. Wow, looks so bomb. Inner corner, I'm gonna go back into the Wonderlust palette. Ooh, just got really dark. And take this really shimmery champagne color, where is it, right here, called Chill. Got foundation on my brows. And put that in the inner corner. We'll look at the eyes again. Alright, to finish out the face, I'm going to cream contour with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Mahogany. I'm just gonna dot this all over my face and contour. Alright, and then I'm going to deepen up my contour a little bit with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany. I'm literally just taking like a little tap in the brush before putting on the skin. Alright, now I'm going to spray my face again. I'm not going to put any blush with this look. I'm just going to go into highlights. So I'm going to take the CoverGirl Super Stunner palette in It's Lit. And I'm going to take this champagne gold highlighter and use that to highlight. This could go really good or really bad. This is real yellow. And then put a little bit on my nose. Try to blend out. For lipstick, she's wearing like a really brown matte lipstick. Wish I had some lip liner. Anyway, I'm going to take the NYX Lip Lingerie in After Hours. This would be so much better with some brown lip liner under it, but I don't have any, so we're just gonna put this on by itself. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I feel like the makeup came out so bomb. It looks so good. Usually when I recreate stuff, it never comes out that well, but this looks bomb, okay, honey? And I keep looking down, as y'all know, because I'm looking at myself. But, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, until next time, spread love, be kind, bye!